Hello, today we are going to do an unboxing of a Skil PowerCore 40 interchangeable weed whacker and leaf blower. And I believe we got these at Lowe's Home Improvement.
Yep. They got a good deal on this too. I think we got it for like
it was
a couple $100.
Super cheap. And we
compared
got it
to some of the other ones, yeah.
Maybe a month ago.
Yeah.
It's October right now, so we got it whatever the month before October is.
Got it a couple weeks ago at the end of September. So we got it. So okay, there it is.
Lots of goodies in
We
here.
have all the parts here.
Yeah. So we got
Does not look like this has been opened already.
with an Allen wrench and some screws, so it looks like there's a little bit of assembly involved. It's probably to put the wand on.
Yeah, I know.
So let's see what all these parts are. Okay, this looks like the weed whacker
As well.
Okay, so this is right here. This looks like the battery charger.
Yep,
right?
that's the battery charger.
So.
And we'll plug that in and show you that right now. I was thinking it came with 2 batteries, but I guess it just comes with 1. Yeah.
Looks like just one. Although we haven't reached
40.
the bottom of the box yet.
So we'll have to test that and make sure it's, see if there's any, push this little red button there. Okay, it's not really charged. Pull your finger away. Yep, see how it's not really charged yet. It's only got a small charge. So we'll charge that up before we go outside here. All right, she's got this getting plugged in here. So okay, so it looks like we have some indicator light spots here. So what just came on was both, just to indicate that it came on. So we got 3 different things here. Let's see if I can pull a focus here. We got defective, which means it's got red and black flashing at the same time. Then it means, what does that say? Oh, it's on hold because the battery's too hot to charge. Charging means it's flashing, and charged means it's full. Put that on there, and it just slides right on.
Oh, that's really easy. Okay. Okay,
so it's flashing green, which means it's charging, and it also flashes green out there to let you know when it's fully charged. All 4 of those will light up. 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here, and then it'll be fully charged. Let's see if it stays green on the actual battery when it's fully charged too, or if it goes black. It does flash when it's almost full. It does go black when full, but you can still push the button and see the test on there.
All right.
And there's the leaf blower.
Well, there's a lot of parts for the weed whacker, not as many for the blower. There we go. Leaf blower.
Alrighty. So that's obviously your air comes back through there. Here's where you mount your battery. Underneath, the little clip release. I guess maybe it's got to be in there for, it's got to be in there for the release to work. That'll clip into place. Then you do that to get the battery off. And then there's also a safety switch here. Looks like possibly, nope. I don't know what that is yet. Maybe it's that's where the battery locks in. So yeah, this is your adjustment for, actually that's your speed and your lock. So you can actually have a cruise control. So instead of having to push the trigger all the time, you can pull this back and it's on itself. You can see the trigger's depressed now. So
I like that.
The more you pull it back, the faster it goes. So you can put it on. I didn't know this was a variable speed. I thought it was a 1-speed. So this is nice. So you got a variable speed leaf blower here. So it doesn't have to be at full speed all the time. That'll save on your batteries if you don't need that much power. Like if you're just blowing some dirt off a sidewalk or something.
Here's the,
yeah, and that'll clip right on there. Let's see if she can figure this out.
See if I can figure it out.
It'd take me about 20 minutes. So let's see if she's a little quicker than that.
If it took you 20 minutes, oh geez. Oh, hang on. So that lifts up. Okay, hang on.
This, I think, is going to clip onto this. Yeah. Okay. There you go. I think that's it. There we go. Okay. Is that it?
Yep. So it's on there.
Sweet. That's nice.
And it's really lightweight. I'm not very strong, so this is a good product for maybe older women or petite women, you know.
Yeah.
You can do it.
A petite woman such as yourself. Now, it would be nice, maybe they do sell an extender for this, but it'd be nice if it came with it. It's not that much plastic. They could have thrown it in. Probably cost them $5 to make that, literally in mass production. So.
Okay, so we have our battery fully charged, and you can tell by pushing this button right here, and it tells you, and there's 4 indicators there to tell you it's fully charged. And if it's just down to like 1, you'd probably want to recharge your battery. And it slips on really easily like this. Oh, real quick, it turns out that these are some spring-loaded pegs that will push out the battery when it's ready to come out. And I'll show you how to do that, but I just want to show you it's really easy to just kind of press it on, and I'm not very strong. And then to release the battery, you're just going to push that right there, and it comes back off. So really easy. And let's go try it out. We got some.
Don't blow me.
We have a lot of dead leaves in our yard.
I'm steering clear here, folks.
Yeah. You can see we have a prominence of leaves to blow away.
Yes.
Let's see how good it goes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. Once again, this was a cheaper model, and we got about 525 CFMs, cubic feet per minute, I think is what that stands for.
That's nice. You can get the leaves out of your weeds and stuff.
And that is really good because these leaves are a little thick, and as you can see, they're mushed into the ground here.
Yeah.
They're kind of mushed into the ground, so why don't you hit these and see if it digs them up easy.
Well, this isn't even on full.
Oh, that's nice.
So it's really powerful.
Yeah, so the Skil, and it's lightweight enough that truly her,
Look at these arms, so very big.
it's lightweight enough that she can deal with it because her wrists kind of give her a little bit of problem once in a while too. So that's great. Why don't you...
Yeah, real quick, it's got a really nice feature. It's got like a cruise control type of thing.
Let me get over here.
Okay. And you just pull this switch back, and it just holds it, and you can vary the speed.
Variable
So
speed.
you don't have to keep pressing this if you don't want to. Just hold it back here, change hands or whatever. And it's really easy to hold with 2 hands too, you know, if you're an older lady or a small girl or something. I only weigh like 100 pounds, I'm 5'2", so this is not hard at all.
All right.